Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. Buddha, in the ocean of beings hindered by darkness, manifests the great light of the lamp of truth for them, that light shining everywhere, so none do not see. This is the liberation of light beam arrays. Commanding the various languages of all worlds, Buddha teaches so that all can understand, and the afflictions of his hearers disappear. This is the realization of traveling everywhere. As many names as there are in all worlds, Buddha names emerge in equal numbers, causing all beings to be free from ignorance. This is the sphere of ending confusion. If any sentient beings come before the Buddha and hear the Buddha's sublime sound, they will all be greatly delighted. Traveling throughout space understands this truth. The Buddha, in every single instant, everywhere showers the boundless rain of truth, causing all beings' afflictions to perish. This is known to Cloud Banner. The ocean of doings of all worlds the Buddha equally shows, causing all beings to be rid of delusion by actions. This is what undisturbed eyes understands. The stage of omniscience has no bounds. All the various mentalities of beings the Buddha perceives with complete clarity. This immense door the world observer enters. Buddha cultivated various practices in the past, completely fulfilling infinite transcendent ways, compassionately aiding all sentient beings. This is the liberation of universal traveler. Furthermore, the space spirit, pure light shining all around, found the door of liberation, knowing the mentalities of sentient beings in all realms of existence. The space spirit, traveling everywhere deeply and extensively, found the door of liberation, entering everywhere into the cosmos of reality. The space spirit, producing auspicious wind, found the door of liberation, comprehending the physical forms of boundless objects. The space spirit, abiding securely beyond obstruction, found the door of liberation, able to remove all beings' obstructions by delusions caused by actions. The space spirit, broad steps and beautiful topknot, found the door of liberation, observing and contemplating the vast ocean of practical application.